So there's one thing that's for sure, and that is change is constant, specifically with the businesses that we run. For example, 10 years ago, everybody got up in the morning, got dressed, and came to a bricks and mortar building. Everybody worked in that same building, and all the applications that you used and the systems that you used within that company were hosted within that building on servers that were local. Now, change has come and people work from everywhere. People work remote, people work from the coffee shop, people work from the airport. Some people never come to a bricks and mortar building. Some companies are 100% virtual. It's really caused a challenge for IT departments to try to figure out how do you secure those applications and the data when the people are no longer within that bricks and mortar building. So IT departments would never have internet access coming into a building without a firewall in place. A firewall at the highest level just inspects all the information and the data that comes into the company and that goes out of the company, and ensures that only the right information can get in and only the right information can get out. Now what do you do when people are working from their homes, when people are working remotely? So we have a very unique solution that solves this problem. It's called SASE, Secure Access Service Edge. And what SASE allows you to do is take that firewall protection, VPN protection, and other security solutions that you would have within your bricks and mortar building and extend it to the service edge, extend it to where people work, from their homes, from their hotels, from the airports, and securing the data that runs your business. SASE uses software instead of hardware to protect your environment, and it extends it to no matter where anybody works. It provides things like zero trust to your network versus just VPN software that a firewall provides, meaning that VPN says you're allowed on the network, zero trust says you're allowed on the network, you only have rights to these applications, we've ensured your computer is secure, and you're good to go. It also continues to monitor all the time websites, URLs, malware, so that in the circumstance if you would click on the wrong website, if you would click on an IP, if you would click in something within an email, it'll automatically stop you before you go someplace that's going to cause you some harm. In addition, another very powerful feature of the platform is then turning on conditional access. So with the platform, you'll have a dedicated IP address where it says if you're not part of that IP address from a given location, you're not going to get access to any of the data. For example, Office 365. You would not be able to get into Office 365 if you're not coming from an trusted IP address within the SASE platform. So what are the business cases here? If you're working remote, if you're working with people who do a lot of traveling, if you're using a lot of cloud applications, you need a SASE solution to help protect your entire environment. You need to secure the access to your service edge.